Dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at home. Which chapter do we read today? Yes, we will start the last part of the previous chapter. Chapter 13, and the name of the chapter, the financial and banking systems of the government. In previous class, we discussed about the income and the expenditure of Bangladesh government. Today, we will start the banking systems of the government of Bangladesh. So, firstly, we will know about what is bank. Bank is an organization to keep deposit of money of the people and to disburse various term loans to the borrowers. I repeat, bank is an organization to keep deposit of money of the people and to disburse various term loans to the borrowers. Here we see some important role of the bank. Firstly, the role of bank in economic development is very important. Secondly, people keep their income or surplus money in bank for safety. People also get interest from some deposits. Bank gives this money deposited by the people to entrepreneurs, producer, businessmen and debtors as loan and collects interest on this type of loan. Bank is called the trader of loans. Banks are classified into three types mainly on the basis of objectives and functions. Here we observe the three types of bank: the central bank, the commercial bank and the specialized financial organization. Now we will know about the central bank. What is central bank? The highest financial organization of a country is central bank. The name of the central bank of Bangladesh is Bangladesh Bank. This bank supervises and controls the money market, monetary system and other banks of the country. Since it controls the overall banking system of the country, its name is the central bank. The central bank of every country works as the representative of the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank in their respective countries. Now we will discuss the functions of central bank. Here we see some functions of the important functions of the central bank. Control of money supply and credit, printing currency, custodian of cash reserve and valuable metals, custodian of foreign exchange reserve, clearing house, lender of the last resource, bank of the other bank, issuing government bonds, formulates government rules and regulations, and last, financial agent and advisor of the government. Central bank is the bank of other banks. Other banks have to deposit a specified portion of their capital in the central bank. The main functions of the central bank is to control loan. Loans given by the commercial banks are included in the total supply of currency of the country. Introducing paper currency and keeping the monetary system of the country stable are the important functions of the central bank. The currency introduced by the central bank is the identified currency of the country. The central bank performs duty as the clearing house of the mutual dues among various banks. The central bank preserves gold, silver and valuable metals and the earned foreign currency. Now we will discuss about commercial bank. What is commercial bank? The commercial bank gives short-term loan for the purpose of commercial profit. There are many commercial banks in Bangladesh such as the Sonali Bank, the Janata Bank, the Rupali Bank, the Agrani Bank, the Uttara Bank, the Pubali Bank and the Islami Bank. The role of commercial bank is important in the country. The life of business and trade is these commercial banks. These types of banks assist in economic development by conducting various types of programs. Now we will see the functions of commercial banks. The functions of commercial banks are two types: receiving deposits and advancing loans. One of the main objectives of commercial bank is to receive deposit from the people. Receiving deposits are three types: current account, saving account and fixed deposit. And advancing loans are four types: making loans, bank overdraft, cash credit and discounting of bills. We see the making loans are three types: short-term loans, medium-term loans and long-term loans. Deposited money of current deposit can be withdrawn anytime. The bank does not give any interest to the depositor of the deposit. Money can be drawn once or twice a week from the saving deposit. Loan disbursement is another important function of the commercial bank. Keeping a fixed part of the money collected from the people, it gives the rest of the money to businessmen and industrialists as a loan. One of the duties of commercial bank is to create the medium of exchange. Besides doing the works mentioned above, the commercial banks accomplish more functions for the convenience of their clients as their representatives. Now, the last topic of this chapter is the role of various banks in poverty alleviation and self-employment. Self-employment means being engaged independently in the field of production or in income generating process through self-initiative with a view to being free from the curse of unemployment by an active person willing to do work. Various banks are playing important role in creating employment of those people and in poverty alleviation. Now, we will discuss about Bangladesh Krishi Bank. After the achievement of liberation, Bangladesh Krishi Bank was formed, taking all the assets and liabilities of the former Agricultural Development Bank situated in Bangladesh. This bank has important role in poverty alleviation and employment creation. Bangladesh Krishi Bank gives short, medium and long-term loans to the farmers for enhancing agricultural production. Krishi Bank gives loans for various purposes like purchasing cattle, seeds, fertilizer and agricultural instruments. And at the present time, besides agricultural works, this bank also gives loan for poultry and livestock growing, fishery, sericulture, fruit cultivation, flower cultivation and for cottage industry. In addition to Bangladesh Krishi Bank, the Sonali Bank, the Agroni Bank, the Janota Bank, Rajshahi Krishi Unnayan Bank and the Rupali Bank have included microcredit programs with proper importance in their respective agricultural and rural loan program to eradicate poverty. Now, the Grameen Bank. The Grameen Bank has emerged in Bangladesh as an exceptional bank. It is a specialized financial organization for giving loan to the landless rural men and women. This bank is also known as the Microcredit Facilitating Bank. The Grameen Bank gives banking facility to the poor men and women of Bangladesh without security. The advancement of the bank started a vow to protect the poor people from the exploitation of rural moneylenders. This bank is playing an extended role to create scope for self-employment for the vast unemployed rural population. So, dear students, that's all for today. We have finished the chapter. You will complete the worksheet and send it by email. Thank you all.